फटने वाला है, फटने वाला है, फटने वाला है, फटने वाला है। बोला था फटने वाला है।
निहारी,
Burka Venjo,
इमरान खान मैन,
amazing skin, Malala, Coke Studio,
Great food.
beautiful eyes,
इतना जिहाद क्यों है वहाँ पे?
Ali Zafar,
टेररिस्ट अटैक, क्रिकेट,
cricket,
क्रिकेट टीम,
Cricket?
cricket, let girls study.
Hot women. Yeah. Population?
Diversity,
Enemies,
family,
celebrities,
mithai, dance,
brotherhood,
beautiful,
orange,
Gandhi, war, very difficult to get in.
पैंसठ शर्ट का जंग,
The Wagah border.
Bollywood, Bollywood.
Bollywood.
बॉलीवुड,
वो कौन है? मनमोहन सिंह.
Hi, happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. Same to you, same to you.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to you too.
Hi, happy Independence Day.
I wanted to wish you Happy Independence Day too. Happy
Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Yeah.
हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे, आपको स्वतंत्र दिन की शुभकामनाएं।
यार एक बात मुझे हमेशा करती है कि पाकिस्तान 14 अगस्त में हुआ है तो इसका मतलब पाकिस्तान इंडिया से ज़्यादा बड़ा है, तो यार थोड़ी तो रिस्पेक्ट दे दिया करो।
एक दिन. Suddenly one day everybody becomes like a patriotic citizen of the country.
Exactly.
You will find people over here who are crazy about Shah Rukh Khan. Like,
No, not Shah Rukh Khan, Madhuri Dixit.
Are you a Salman Khan fan by any chance?
No, I'm not Salman Khan fan.
Yes?
I'm
Oh,
not.
thank God. Now we can talk.
From Pakistan to India, everyone's a fan of Yo-Yo Honey Singh.
I was his fan from the first song. I don't know if you've heard of it or not. It's not something
Which
to
is
be
his
very
first
proud
song?
of. It's not something to be very
Oh
proud
no,
of.
no, I've heard of his first song. Yeah, I have. It's not. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not something we should be proud of. I know.
Exactly.
Let's not say the name. But we all know
Yeah,
what the first
exactly.
song of Yo-Yo Honey Singh was.
Ranveer Singh, yeah. Did you see the new condom ad? Does that air in Pakistan as well?
Which ad?
सबसे पहले अनुराग कश्यप साहब के घर पे घंटी बजानी है, मिलना है। आपको पता है उनको एड्रेस?
I'm also a huge Shah Rukh Khan fan. Just saying, you know, it's not something that I tell publicly to people, but I'm secretly sitting in a room somewhere. I do like that guy.
You like Bollywood, yeah?
Not much, but basically the ones who actually bring up their, which actually have a very good story, basically, and good actors.
Like.
Like I love Devdas.
You're a Chelsea fan, okay. I'm an Arsenal fan.
Yeah, what about you?
Yeah,
Arsenal
I'm
fan.
an Arsenal fan. Yeah,
Alright,
Arsenal
congratulations man, you won the
fan.
Community
Yeah,
Shield.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, second trophy in 10 years maybe, yeah.
You do know India, like India has won each and every single match in the World Cup till now with Pakistan, right? I'm just letting you know.
Yeah, I do. Oh no. Trust me, if you look at the overall record, Pakistan has won more against India.
Okay.
Please.
How are like Pakistani boys? Are there any
Pakistani boys?
cute guys in Pakistan?
They're cute, but I think the girls are a lot better
Yeah?
looking than Pakistani boys.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah, apparently I do. Yeah, I do.
You will see a lot of pretty girls over here. एक दफा तुम आओ, you would fall in love with girls over here. I think I have more crushes on girls than boys.
So, do you have any boyfriends?
Do I have any? Sorry? Guys over here are better too. इस तरह काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं, मगर वो थोड़े बहुत गोरे होते हैं ना, तो गोरे लड़के इतने अच्छे नहीं लगते, कोई लड़कियाँ अच्छी लगती हैं.
Do you have a boyfriend? Are you dating someone?
Sorta, yeah, kinda.
I will look you up on Facebook and like let's
Please
chat
do.
up some more, man.
Yeah, please do.
Yeah, great.
The profile name is Maz Haris. There's going to be a picture with the girl.
Perfect, man.
Yeah.
Oh, there'll be a picture with the girl. Quite the player you are.
Yeah.
Quite the player you are.
They see me rolling.
if you get a chance, do come to Karachi. It's an amazing city.
तुम कभी जयपुर गई हो?
नहीं, जयपुर नहीं गई।
यार मुझे जाना है।
ठीक है,
मुझे जाना है, कुछ करो ना।
हाँ मैं बोल देती हूँ इनसे।
आप पाकिस्तान कब आएंगे हमसे मिलने?
सर आप वहाँ से मुझे वीसा भेजो तो मैं निकल जाऊँ यहाँ से, अभी कल का कल ही।
अब अगली बार आएंगे तो मुझे फोन करना फिर।
जरूर, लेकिन आप
Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you as well. And a happy Independence Day again. Bye.
Same to you, dear. Bye-bye.
All the best for whatever you do in the future. It's really nice talking to you. You too. Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay, thanks. Bye.
जब मैंने उनको पहला FA इंडिपेंडेंस डे बोला, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं पाकिस्तान में फ़ोन करूँ, सामने से फ़ोन उठा के मुझे ना मार दे।
It was actually really cool. The boyfriend question was out of like not expecting, but okay.
Just like genuinely amazing stuff about how much they know about us compared to what I feel like I know about them. Really sad.
Even on Facebook, whenever there's a post related to Pakistan, India, I always, manage to go and read the comments and I see how Indians are cursing Pakistan and Pakistanis are cursing Indians, and I'm like, just like,
जब नेट का पहले यूज़ सीखा था तब पाकिस्तान के रूम में जाके सिर्फ गाली गलौज ही करता था, मगर आज पहली बार पता चला कि पाकिस्तान के लोग भी इतना अच्छा बात करते हैं।
वो अपने बारे में इतना बता नहीं रही थी, मैं उनसे पूछ रहा था, लेकिन मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा भूल रहा था अपने उसमें, जो मुझे दिल चाह रहा था। यार एक होती है ना कुछ बातें जो कि आप नहीं बोल पाते, और काफ़ी सुनने वाली थी, तो सुन लिया।
It was lovely talking to him. I never felt that he's a stranger to me. It was like I'm speaking to any other friend of mine.
सब मुल्कों में कुछ ऐसे लोग रहते हैं जो खुराफात करते हैं, सब एक जैसे नहीं होते, अपने उंगली सब एक जैसे नहीं है।
बहुत मज़ा आया उनके साथ बात करके, और फर्स्ट टाइम था तो मुझे तो और खुशी हुई क्योंकि इससे पहले मैंने किसी इंडियन से बात नहीं की।